could also just listen to me talk, child. So what y'all prefer? Listen to me talk or ask questions and then listen to me answer y'all questions? Which one you prefer?
Nikki this, Nikki that.
Nicki Madam.
Nikki Madam.
So BLAMDEM. Wagwan, what y'all deal with?
You know, me there I go and hold them, you know? Go and watch how I go on the flip flop. Carry on.
What's your take on what been going on?
Well, just I go and watch them, you know. You see me? You know, we are fall back wicked on them because we are show them say we not going nowhere. We just sit kind of eat a break to find ourselves, you know? Yeah, I come back on the TikTok, man. Can't give them everything, you know?
Don't know. So, the last time we spoke, we did on TikTok, we did a spelling bee with Pops YG.
Yeah.
So, do you think that he's that his spelling has improved since then?
And that John Credit, you're saying done, so they never learn to spell.
So who you feeling right now on the Caribbean side of TikTok?
Like like what I mean? Like who me feel like
who you think is popping right now on there?
I Zozo me they bring right now, you know. You see me Zozo cause Zozo rate me, so me not rate nobody when not rate me.
So where's Zozo at? Is Zozo on?
Well, me say me can't find him. Where is Zozo? Somebody go text Zozo and tell me forward on the line. You go call Ivany. You know say Nikki, me got one big party named Sands in Florida. I say Ivany know me look now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and I rapper. Ivany come in my section, come hug me up and say, BLAMDEM. And she said me smell good.
Aww.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah, man. We don't call Ivany people. People go text Ivany and tell us we over here.
So now Ivani knows how you look like without the mask?
Me have on the mask, but she kind of couldn't see me though.
So technically she still don't know how you really look?
No, not fully. She don't know me look fully.
Okay, well, I gotta ask her what she's thinking and if she still wanna holler at you. If she wants to like get to know Ivany, wait there. Like if she want to get to know you beyond the mask, you know what I'm saying? Because before I was doing like a dating show, and I was asking you a bunch of questions, and we was trying to pick the right girl for you.
Yeah, I remember, man, for sure.
And me and Gold Digger was trying to do the things, and I asked you a bunch of questions, and some girls, you know, they put in their application for the job.
Yeah, a lot of them reach out to you.
Yeah, they reached out to me. Yep. They said they ready to bust it open for you, and they said they not shy, but they said they not no hoes, all types of stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
So you just gonna have to basically tell me. So do you want, how many girls do you want? Like in the whole, you want 3 or you want 1?
One woman can't satisfy me. One woman can't satisfy me. I want 5.
5?
Yeah.
So how would you deal with them? Like every day you see a different girl and then you take a day off, like, or what?
No, me go have me get 5 hours. So me sleep when I want to sleep. So is it after 1 minute, I me go where I want to go.
So is it a possibility that one of the wives might not even see you for a whole week? Or will there be rules?
No, everybody get the end and the weekend after myself. So remember, 5 days a week. Monday for Keisha. Monday for this one, yeah. Monday, what days a week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, yeah. So 5 days.
Okay.
Yeah, man, fully done.
And then on the weekend, you gonna rest?
Yeah, up on the weekend, me text for myself. Yeah.
Oh.
Ivany, go live. So me can add you.
Don't know. Hey, Gold Digger, what's up?
Gold Digger, wagwan. Yeah, man. So me just take 5 days for 5 girl them. Each girl get 1 day, and the weekend me take for myself, you know.
Okay, that's what you wanna do. Do your thing, playboy.
I'm madness that still, but me don't do it.
You know what? Let me block all of these people spamming my chat right now. Block, bumper clot, block. Block, block. And I want to see on a bumper clot chat. Block on a bumper. Oh, hey. Hey, Ivany, how are you?
Girl, where you been?
Child, I have been working and living and, lifing and in the world, in this beautiful world. But, shit gets busy sometimes.
Right. I saw BLAMDEM for the first time at Science.
And do you feel like you really saw him?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at baby teeth them. I'm fine. I can't just blow him down.
I know he's small. So basically, are you still willing to go out on a kind of a blind date with him so that we can figure out his 3 wives?
3 wives? My head sick,
Me too, and that's why I said it's not for Sagittarius. We don't play them kind of games, Ivany.
I feel like it's more like trying to date 3-1 and it bubble down to 1. You go through 3 girls, bubble down to 1.
Okay, so like a dating show.
Yeah, you try to date maybe 3-5 girls and you see which one of them have your heart. But you can't have 3 wives. I don't think it works like that.
Okay. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it together. Ivany, do you feel like there's any bitch in the world that could take a man that could outshine you in the house?
They don't have what I have. They don't have the personality. They can't give what I give. They might be look better than me, but it's not what on the outside, it's what on the inside and what I can bring to the table for a man, and I got that.
True that.
Them not have it, Nikki. Them not have it.
Don't know.
Sagittarius, them not have it.
Yeah, because the thing is, we be making these dudes, they be so strung out on us because we don't never give them all of us. Like we be like, all right, get up. We need some space. You know what I'm saying? Shit. And they used to chicks that be all over them. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So nah. But okay, so BLAMDEM, do you think that let's say it was 10 girls that Ivany would have made the top 3?
Ivany that number 1.
Okay, lie mix up, you see Nikki lie like shoe. You see
Ivany then must be a number 1.
Yeah.
Oh God, Ivany, tell the truth, Ivany. Me not tell you look good.
I look good.
I mean if you look good. Ivany, me not tell you if you stay at section with me, I agree. You see.
But they don't go chip BLAMDEM.
They know me if you chip out pie. If me chip out pie, me not
me, but me know how you chip out of me and fear.
True, protect yourself, Ivany.
Yeah, you have to stay at distance and hear him.
So
then Ivany, if me chip out pie, me chip out by my relationship. Me could do that.
Alright, but take your word for you.
Yeah, Ivany, me no must have to act right.
Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, man.
Hey boy, tell me upon life, say me and him there now. 2 minutes after him join one white girl live, a lucky girl, but they know say the girl I'm a friend. The girl asked if my Ivany, them said no, Ivany a friend. And he just tell me some me and him there.
Who BLAMDEM?
BLAMDEM, yeah?
Oh yeah, that's how he do.
No, I don't do that. I'm a good guy. I'm very loving and kind. You know, I'm nice. I don't do stuff like that. I deal with girls good.
Coming now, run no joke.
Yup.
You know, Ivany, listen. When you come back to Florida, you par with me, okay?
Yeah, all right. Come back in a couple weeks.
When he start doing that accent, I know something is going on.
Yeah, man, he must think him talk to. I don't know. Him probably, you know, where I see him country we come from, you know.
Right. You know his tricks. So I saw you was talking to Uncle the other day.
Nicki Minaj. Today, I'm there live with Derek. I'm going to ask Derek one question, and I think that's what got Derek head chip. I asked Derek, said, Derek, I always hear calling people Batman, but are you straight or are you lean? And then from there, it just start. Nicki Minaj, look what Derek did. Look what Derek did. Nicki Minaj, Derek's skin out.
Why Derek did that? Uncle.
Look how Derek has showed me on live.
Why, Uncle, I forgot to answer.
Derek's skin out today.
Then, yo, Ivany, Ivany, I wanna entertain the little dirty careless Batman them.
We have to take them down and take down Damien. We have to cut him off.
Then you see the fact that the drunk at the top come in here, me fall off. Then
he fall off, man.
He fall off. You go on, he not get too high on himself, so we have to flap him. Cause the drunk must think him a somebody. Oh, me fi boss him and him a try style me. Eh? Boss him back to boy and him a try style. Me have to carry down him bumbo clock.
Damien now the places, you know. Damien just sit on one place and looking up. On TikTok.
Like him a look a man.
Yeah, him just sit down. Him now the places like him just sit down and look.
With them bumbo clock thinking dirty mouth. All the mind think me a good somebody, you know. You see me a laugh with him. You don't know some hypocrite. Oh.
Ivany.
Yeah.
Ivany. Why you was drunk on live the other night? You was drunk?
When?
You was
when
in the
fans?
When you was in the car.
Yeah, me did kinda tipsy. But look,
kinda.
When I said what I said, I didn't say it feel like mean it. Me just said but he run joke with me to him call me out the most way by my name and say some things. So when him send me the request and me join the live, me did just say it, but because me drunk and my friend them tipsy, everybody are laughing. It was just a moment of laughing, but it never did that serious. Hey boy, Roger, this is serious to heart, you know.
No, not Roger. You was on a live with some other boy.
Oh, it was a Roger?
No, not Roger.
When? Oh, when my American friend, when I asked him to see my ass and he said
yes. Yes, when you was trying to seduce him.
No, I wasn't drunk. We always run jokes. Oh, Montreal. I always run joke with Montreal. I always run joke with Montreal, but Montreal he embarrassed me that night. Montreal,
what
tell Nicki Minaj that you was thirsty for me.
No.
Hello, Montreal. Hello, Montreal. Good night.
You gotta go.
Good night, Nikki.
Montreal. No, don't. Ivany, we don't run nowhere. Montreal, good night.
Good night.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm fine. What city you from?
Louisiana.
Oh, okay. So you know a person by the name of Dwayne Michael Carter who signed me and changed my life. Do you?
No.
Excuse me?
Probably not knowing by that.
That's alright, Nicki Minaj.
Montreal. Montreal.
Ma'am.
Do you know who Dwayne Michael Carter is?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, maybe it's the hat.
Are you talking? Oh, Lil Wayne.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, love, right?
Yep.
Well, what up? What's good with it?
Man, what's good with it? How you doing?
When is that your real? Do you ever take your hat off? Do you ever take your hat off?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So was you turned on when Ivani tried to seduce you the other night?
I mean, no,
Why not?
because I'm not thirsty. Like I don't. Everybody ain't thirsty.
You thirsty for me alive.
If she turn around, I'm not gonna be thirsty over her. Like that ain't me. I ain't the thirsty type.
So what if you wasn't on live and she did that? Like y'all had been sipping on some wine and then somebody said it's a wig. Who said that? Wait, I'm sorry. Wait. So Montreal, what if y'all was having a nice romantic evening at home?
Yeah, then yeah, of course. And then we go. Yeah.
What's the difference? It's social media.
Nah, it's not. I mean, bruh, please don't say nothing about no
So
social.
don't get me upset now.
Nah, you don't get me upset. Real talk.
Yeah, so
You see, Nicki Minaj, he always want to talk after me. That's the type of nigga he is, you know.
Bruh,
Montreal, what's your sign?
I'm a Scorpio. She disrespectful, and then I was
Oh
lying.
yeah. Oh my. Listen, Ivani, sweetheart, I'm gonna tell you as a fellow Sag, the Scorpio, they can definitely get under your skin. I'm telling you right the fuck now, and we get under their skin. Okay, we just nah. Cause see, they very very egotistical.
But he disrespect me too.
I know.
Bruh, why is you? Bruh, ain't no way you really. Bruh, ain't no way you really lying like that, bruh.
When I came on your live today, I was being cute, and you start with the attitude.
You wasn't even talking to me. I was talking to you. You smacking your lips saying leave you alone, don't talk to you. And then you
Because of that screen record.
But I have nothing to do with that screen record. What do that have to do with me?
So are you saying that you are willing to go against BLAMDEM and try to win Ivani's heart?
Huh?
then that Yankee boy can't competition about one.
Wait, me not hear you, Montreal.
You said what?
Are you willing to go against BLAMDEM to win Ivani's heart?
Who is that? Him over here?
Me
Yeah.
already have Ivany art. Nobody can take it.
Ooh,
If he already then he
Try
got
that.
ooh.
What you gonna
Nobody
do,
can
Montreal?
take it.
Montreal, what you gotta say?
If that's him, then that's him. That ain't got nothing to do with me.
I said, is you gonna fight for her heart, nigga?
I don't, I'm not fighting for nothing.
Like that,
You're not gonna fight for nothing that ain't gonna fight for you.
See, that's a Scorpio answer. Ivani, you will learn. See, that's a Scorpio answer. Okay? And low
So
key,
he want me to fight
they
for him.
very emotional, okay? What you said,
You want me to fight for you?
If that's what you pick, if you don't choose me, choose him, then I don't want it.
so what so do you feel that you would make her happy?
I feel like I can make you happy too.
Who?
That's true.
Gianna? Come on.
we had left him alone, bro. Top drive back, man.
Man, tell
I'm the lie, man. Not go so.
see, man, I call now.
How about them ago? So Nicki Minaj is going to be a lot of like man and woman.
No,
Or just
it's gonna
BLAMDEM?
just be you, Montreal, and BLAMDEM, and y'all gonna go out on dates, and then the viewers are gonna vote every week, and then whoever we pick for you is who you have to be with.
So they're gonna watch the dates when we go out.
Yup. And then I'm gonna also bring a couple other guys to shake it up sometimes, and I'm gonna bring some other girls in there to shake it up. So you know that you gotta really, you know what I'm saying, be on your top game, yeah. So you ready, Montreal? Montreal, are you ready?
Montreal, you lose no blood clot in the car. Watch out. You lose. You're not ready for your back a big game.
Ivany style like Yankee them.
They was
Ivany
probably
want
somebody
wreck, man.
else who
Real
wasn't.
stallion.
It was somebody
They
else.
want Stallion, then
Hey,
Yankee
Nicki
them have
Minaj,
too
I'm
much
gonna show you
scratches.
who I want. Call King.
Who's that?
That's her man.
Oh gosh, don't start bringing up new names, child. Listen,
King.
Montreal, listen.
Come on, it's so
I'm
bad.
That will be a
gonna
good
come back
competition.
when I come back on later tonight, and when Ivani is more drunk, then
Duh.
we'll get the truth. We'll get the truth out of it, and then I might even, you know what I'm saying,
Yeah.
you know, be on another little higher altitude, you know what I'm saying,
I had
myself.
to party last time, man.
What, yo, BLAMDEM,
Eh?
you know you not muted, right?
Oh, me ain't know to blood clot.
Okay. Okay, well, so, because we got to figure this out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back later on tonight. Okay, Barbs, I love you very much. Wherever you are in the world, I love you so much. You're so cute. You're so sweet. You're so everything. Yes. But I'm busy. I got stuff to do. But I do want to make sure that I come back on to holler at Ivani and Montreal and BLAMDEM, because you never know. One of these could be a match made in heaven.
Boy, I feel like BLAMDEM are take you winning from the world of them. Because them are Yankee, they don't really have much sense. I'm like the bad man, them Nicki Minaj.
No, but you said you like the Yankee boy then.
Montreal, you see, Montreal Montreal know what he up to. You don't see?
Mm-hmm.
What I'm up
Yeah,
to?
he know what he up to.
What I'm up to?
Yeah. You know what you
Montreal
up
don't
to.
want Ivany. You
But
see?
Ivany said, Ivany, but I have for them mind the Yankee man, them. You not tell them mind them.
So for
They
you.
just come
Yes.
at somebody where you can't mind.
When
They
me
can't
and
mind
her-
you.
when I was just
I can relate to.
when I was just in there with her, she was not talking like this. She was calling me all type of body boys, all type of everything. And I'm like nah, like this. That's why I'm not talking to her. That's why, you know, she disrespectful. So I wouldn't even do the show if she was in there with her. I wouldn't.
You know, go on then because you go on then because your tongue like heavier than mine. So you know, go on then Yankee. Me take my
I
Jamaican.
don't even know what you saying, bro.
I'll take my Jamaicans then because you can't tame.
Nah, you disrespectful. You know,
And you like to keep malice.
like what you? How you want to talk to somebody and just disrespecting them? Don't no dude want no woman that's disrespectful.
I don't want you to come. I want King to come.
Okay, well let him come then.
And King body big, I feel. Just come feel that. Hey, me tell BLAMDEM. Me set BLAMDEM for you.
Ooh.
I don't even know what she's saying. So
Yo, Montreal and I carry a live.
I don't know.
So, okay, Montreal, listen. Montreal, here's the thing. Do you think, would you walk a mile in a rainstorm for Ivani? Yes or no?
It depends on the situation. Like, what you mean? Like,
You know what? I'll take that answer as good. That's good. Aww, he got a little. See, I told you they be undercover emotional, child. Them Scorpios, child, and Sagittarius, we Aggie, so we gonna get on a nigga nerve every motherfucking time. But
Right.
so BLAMDEM,
Active.
would you walk a mile in a rainstorm for Ivani?
Add one more mile. Ivan, that's the love of my life.
Montreal, you got to. Montreal, you letting him talk about your girl like that?
man, hey, now if it was you, I'd probably run that mile. But she disrespectful, so I'm not. If it's raining like that, oh yeah, I'm running. Huh?
See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? He likes he likes that shit.
Well, you like it too, because Sagittarius do like a challenge, and that's the thing. She wants to overcome you. She wants to get you to a place where you all nice to her, but then when you start being too nice to her, she ain't gonna really like you like that, Montreal. So Montreal, between me and you, keep doing.
Bring another dude. Did you just hear her say something about King?
Oh yeah.
So why would I
Look.
want to walk a mile for her? I wouldn't even crawl a mile to her.
Ooh.
Because you're not serious, and we should bring somebody that's more serious because you want to fight. And I don't want to drag you by your ear on the show.
Ooh.
Bro, you went, bro. Why you choose her for the show though? Why her?
Okay, well
What do you mean, why her? Why you?
Ooh.
Why are you?
Yeah, okay, y'all, I gotta go. The fact that I got people waiting on me and I'm sitting here talking about ooh on TikTok. Listen, I'm gonna try to come through in about another hour when I get where I'm going to. But in the meantime, in between time, y'all be good, be blessed. I love you very much. But yes, Montreal, we gonna link back up with you, okay, Montreal? And thank you for coming on and talking to us
Big up.
and to the barbs.
I gave you a follow, so you probably could request me back or something.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I don't think Montreal know who this lady is on the phone, child.
Man, try to get too comfortable, man. Man, trouble feel like.
I don't even understand what you saying, bro.
Ooh.
I want to man, try you they look me woman.
I
Now
don't-
you come the, right yourself with the queen.
Yeah.
And so you pack your bag and go on, yeah? Pack your bag and go on. What you want to follow? What is that? Hey, boy, go on, yeah? All right.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna come. Y'all, no, listen, Jamaican TikTok, Trinidad TikTok, Caribbean TikTok, African TikTok. I'm coming back on so we can get to the bottom of this because you know all three of they ass crazy, but don't y'all ain't hear that from me. All three of they ass is crazy. Y'all know I'm not crazy. Y'all know I'm a nice lady. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so BLAMDEM, may I go link you later. So in like an hour, I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit y'all and see if y'all up, and if not, we can holler tomorrow and on the TikTok live.
I